India's Space Odyssey continues with the formal inauguration of the National Space Day today at Nehru Planetarium in Bangalore. The event was inaugurated by Minister for Science and Technology, Government of Karnataka. The event was attended by a large cross-section of the student community at the planetarium. It may be recalled that exactly last year, India's space mission was successfully placed orbiter. It may be recalled that exactly this day last year, India landed its rover over the surface of the moon on South Pole. Though the task was challenging, but yet the scientific community at ISRO were successful. Though the task to land the rover over the surface of the moon, though the task was very difficult, but India managed to do it with the entry into the elite club of having the technological and the critical technology in space sciences. Ministry of Information and Technology, Government of India, and also the scientific community who have decided to observe August 23rd as India's Space Day. Please.
ಚಂದ್ರಯಾನ 3 ರೊಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಇದೇನೆ. ಇದು ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ
ಇವತ್ತು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಪದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 2023 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 23ರಂದು ಈ ಚಂದ್ರನ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಧ್ರುವ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೌಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಳಿಸಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದಿನ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಡೀ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ದಿನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಂತರಿಕ್ಷ ದಿನ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭ.
ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಡೇ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಆದರೆ ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಏನು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಊಹೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗದೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಒಂದು ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿನ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗವಾಗಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ಭೂಮಿ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್.
Sir, today National Space Day is being celebrated here. What all will be showcased here to the student community?
Yeah, we are trying to celebrate National Space Day in a very grand way. Anyway, the Prime Minister gave us this mandate to actually celebrate the successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 Vikram lander on the moon on August 23rd, 2023 at 6:03 p.m. And it is being celebrated from this year onwards as the National Space Day. To inspire the students and to galvanize them and to enhance their interest and to enable them to develop scientific attitude, we have a lot of programs. Today we have for 4th, 5th and 6th grade students, we have puzzle building competition. A moon picture will be built using puzzles, that is for them. But for higher level students, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th grade students, we have one competition which is painting competition about how the moon will look in 2050. What will be the status of the moon? That is one.
What would you like to convey to the student community in particular?
We would like to convey this space flight, especially the flight to the moon, is very, very exciting and it is very challenging. And in this regard, India has done a lot, and there is much opportunity for today's students to do more and take the country to much higher level. And we have a speaking competition in the afternoon, pick and speak competition. Then we have quiz competition, and all these things are there, and special lectures are there. All these things will go a long way in inspiring the students further. Already they have been inspired, they will be inspired further. We honestly believe in this. So these are the programs, and we have, as you can see, there is a model of Chandrayaan 3 behind me. And apart from that, we have Pragyan rover model and the model of the giant rocket that launched
GSL.
Chandrayaan 3, that is LVM-3, and we have a working model of the trajectory of Chandrayaan, how exciting it was for 40 days, how it traveled and went to moon. So these are the programs we have, and through this we definitely try to inspire the students further.
You are here to attend the National Space Day. How do you feel you are being here at this Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium?
We are very glad that we are invited to the National Space Day celebrations. It is a day that marks the soft landing of Chandrayaan 3, which is a milestone for our country. India is the 5th country to land softly on the moon. We are very glad to be invited here.